Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to hold and review another sexy lingerie from Lazada. So without further ado, let's begin. So this is my new collection for today. Ito po yung ating collection for today. Lavender ang kanyang kulay. Look at this. Wow. Ang ganda. Lace and see-through. So, tingnan natin yung pinaka ilalim nito. Look at this. Oh, ang ganda. Oh. Ang ganda niya. Naka-lace siya na may ribbon. Ang ganda ng appearance niya. And this is thong panty. Kaya lang ang pagkatong nito ay 1 inch po yung dito banda sa body. Yan, very see-through. Tingnan natin. 90% polyamide and 10% spandex. So, hindi po ito pwedeng i-washing. So, hand wash lang po ito. Very see-through. Look at this. Ang ganda ng material niya, yung kanyang lace. Maganda siya, oh. Pati yung stretch niya. Lalo naman yung tahi. Look at this. Very nice ang kanyang tahi. Lalo dito sa joint, dito sa dugtungan, napakaganda ng pagka-tahi ng tension ng overlock. Look at this. And also here, the crotch. Wow, perfect. Meron siyang lining na small amount of lining para dito sa ating crotch. So, perfect sa ating private part na hindi tayo makikitaan. Pero, huwag kang bubuka-buka ka kasi napakaliit lang po nito. And look at this sewing. Nice. Look at that. Napakaganda, oh. Beautiful. And also here, very see-through. Ang ganda ng tension ng ng overlock. Napakaganda. Very see-through po siya. And this is very affordable because this is only 59 pesos. Very affordable po ito. Ang ganda, oh. Nice. Doon sa mga may almo, may mga diferensya sa ating body, hindi pwede. So, hand wash lang po ang gagawin nyo dito. Look at this. Napaka-beautiful. Yung appearance niya, napakaganda. At this is a back view. So, very affordable po ito. Kayang-kaya ng ating bulsa. Kapag i-rate natin siya ng 1 to 10, bigyan natin siya ng perfect 10 because the quality, the material, very, very nice. So, that is for today for our sexy bikini lavender thong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!